Alright, boys. It is officially the Asia session. Hong Kong just opened about 50 minutes ago. Tokyo about an hour and 50 minutes ago. I've plotted this anchored volume profile at the start of the trading day, which is for Wednesday. As you all probably know, in futures, the trading day starts the day prior, around 6 p.m. New York time. So today is still Tuesday, but this is considered Wednesday, at least in my view. Right now, at the start of this Asia session, of this new trading day, if you will, we see the bulls kind of taking a head start. This is the CVD, the cumulative volume delta, which calculates the total volume at the beginning of the trading day. So at 6 p.m., the bulls have been, obviously, I'm not going to say dominating, but they've been winning the battle. And you could see it manifest in the price action. But we are seeing divergence, higher highs in the CVD, lower highs in the price action, and that means that the bulls are running out of steam. So that leads me to believe that during the Asia session, maybe even London session, we might be seeing just a balanced price action. And this capital B-shaped volume profile for the time being kind of validates my analysis, at least for the time being. With that said, when you look at a higher time frame volume profile, which expands or spans 20 days of the start of the trading week, I usually plot a new 20-day volume profile because it just makes sense, at least to me. It gives me a view of where potential imbalances can happen, and we're so close to lower volume nodes of this historical volume profile, meaning that if tomorrow, if the bulls will it, if the bulls keep up with this, with their battle of just beating the bears when it comes to just total volume traded, then we might be seeing new highs, not new highs, but we might be visiting old highs of 2 weeks ago. This is the highs of 2 weeks ago, even 3 weeks ago. Only if the bulls have enough steam in their early head start. This is right here what I'm seeing, or what I'm talking about, for those who don't know, is volume analysis, or it's part of the auction market theory. It's something I'm learning still, so I'm not well versed, so I'm learning with you. But basically, what auction market theory kind of will help you is finding the direction of the trading day. It will help you trade with the volume. At least that's my understanding, because historically I've been a reversal trader, which has been helping me. I've got one payout under my name, but many times it's like trying to catch a falling knife, and I've got burned and I've lost probably 1 XFA because of that. And the current XFA I'm having is I wouldn't say suffering, but December has not been a good month for me, at least. So this is me trying to shift my strategy on trying not only to trade the reversals, because I will still trade the reversals with lower risk, of course, but through observation, I just find trading with the direction will lead me to just risk a little bit more, and will potentially obviously lead me to more profit. So this is me trying to, this is the reason why I'm trying to learn auction market theory, especially using the CVD, which is the cumulative volume delta, which is just a stupendous tool, because many times I've noticed, like right now we're seeing divergences between the volume, whether it be bullish volume or bearish volume, divergences between the CVD and the price action, and I've traded reversals that way. Now it doesn't always work, of course. Sometimes the price action does catch up to the CVD or vice versa, but it's giving me a different dimension in my trading, and to me, obviously, that's fucking awesome. So I started my volume analysis journey with the CVD, and now I'm implementing volume profiles and trying to read, or of course trying to read where the imbalances might happen. And right now, as it happened today, despite this reversal, this almost reversal, because it is what it is. It's just, the beginning of the trading day in New York, at least, or the trading session for New York. There was this retracement, and I traded this reversal, knowing that the bulls were, winning the battle in the volume cumulative delta. So I traded the reversal, and it was a good day for me, at least. And as you can see here, this lower volume nodes help the price to push higher. Obviously, this is where the balance is, or this is where the balance was, but essentially the bulls were dominating the trading day or trading session, and just pushed the price higher into imbalance territory. So right now, the probabilities of them pushing the price higher to old highs is pretty strong. I would say 70%, maybe even 80% probability that they keep pushing the price up, and just but that would happen probably in the New York session, maybe even on the London session once there's more traders. But then again, we are in a holiday, so it might not happen, or it might even happen because of a holiday, because of just less people trading, and whatever large order that any institution decides to place on the upside will push the price higher. So yeah, obviously it might happen, it might not. We'll just have to see tomorrow on Wednesday. And yeah, that's basically it. This is my first video I post in YouTube with this type of analysis. I'm still learning volume analysis or auction market theory, so bear with me, to those that are well versed at that type of seeing the markets, at that type of analysis. I'm still a noob, so I am welcomed to receive any constructive criticism. To those that want to comment and just want to correct me, and I'm down with that. And yeah, that's it for today, I guess. Just a slight summary of what I said. Shit. We might be seeing bonds price action during this Asia session, maybe extending all the way to the London session, and then we'll probably be seeing obviously these large retracements and extensions, and potentially imbalances to new highs. Let's go.